So to compare the rates for both of these, so Angela's rate was 0.15. And if we add the 0 onto this, Benjamin is 0.10. So Angela's is 0.15, Benjamin's is 0.10. Whoops, 0.10. So since 0.15 is greater than 0.10, then Angela's rate is greatest. Ooh, here, let me zoom in on that. So since 0.5 is greater than 0.10, Angela's rate is greatest. Then it asks, what will be the monthly cost for Angela and Benjamin for 200 minutes? So what they did here is they plugged in 200 in for the x on both equations. So I'm going to do that over here. So for Angela, the equation was y is equal to 0.15 x plus 49. And in for this x, we're supposed to put 200. So 0.15 times 200 plus 49. If I put that in to my calculator, so 0.15 parentheses 200 close parentheses plus 49, I get 79. So Angela was $79. Benjamin's equation was y is equal to 0.10x plus 60. And I'm going to plug 200 into there. So 0.10 times by 200 plus 60. So 0.10 parentheses 200 plus 60 is 80. So Benjamin's is 80. So Angela will pay $79 for 200 minutes and Benjamin will pay $80 for 200 minutes. And they said that right here. You can pause the video if you need to get that. So then you try this out. It gave us an equation for the first one, and the next one we need to figure out the equation. So since the y-intercept is 40, I know it's going to be plus 40. And then for the slope, I go up. How much did I go up? From 39 to 51. So 51 minus 39 is 2, that's 4, so 12. So the rise was 12, and the run goes from 0 to 4. So 12 divided by 4, because from 0 to 4 is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. So this is 3x plus 40. So Mandy and Sarah. Mandy's membership, this is Mandy. Mandy, and this is Sarah. And that's y equals that. Compare the y-intercepts and rates of change. So I'm going to put that over here. For Mandy, Mandy, her intercept, so this is for the intercepts. Mandy's was 29, and Sarah's was 40. So since 40 is greater than 29, Mandy's fee, so Mandy's fee is more than Sarah's. Then for the slopes on both of them, they're both 3. So I'm going to put they are equal. Okay, last one, last part of the lesson is this one. So Lorena's mother needs to rent a truck to move to her furniture. The cost to rent a truck from 2 different companies shown in the table and in the graph. Which company should she use to rent the truck for 40 minutes? So we're going to come up with the equation for both of them. So this one, since it starts at 30, it's going to be plus 30. And then the slope, so there's going to have to be an x there. The slope goes up. So from 0 up to 35, so from 30 to 35, it went up 5. up 5, and then from 0 to 0 to 10, it went over 10. So 5 over 10 can reduce to 1/2. So that is crosstown, so Y. And this is crosstown movers. And then for Ron's, I have to go back to 0. So we can see right here, they said 25, and then go back there, that's 25. And if I went back again to 0, so I'm going back 10 every time, that's going to be 0. So this equation, so Ron's rentals is just Y, I'm writing this weird, Y is equal to 25x. So let's see. I came up with the equation, says which one for 40 miles. So let's go to Crosstown Motors. Crosstown Motors for 40 miles is up here, and it looks like it's going to cost $50. So Crosstown Motors for 40 miles is equal to $50. And then in this one, if we keep on going up 10, so up 10 to 40, we'd have to add another 25 onto this, and so we'd have 100. So crosstown movers, we already said was $50. But you can see according to the table that Ron's rentals is going to be $100. So Crosstown Motors is going to be the best deal. Okay, and there were no examples for that. Your homework for this lesson is going to be, so it's page 315. You are only going to do 1 through 5. And then you're going to do 7 and 8. 7, 8, and then the last part again. So that's 14 through 21. Okay, good luck.